Meaning of call. Call is a verb meaning to say something loudly, phone someone, or give a name or label to someone or something. It is also a noun meaning a telephone conversation or a shout or request. 10 daily use example sentences. As a verb. 1. I will call you later. 2. She called for help. 3. We call him Sonny. 4. Please call the doctor quickly. 5. Don't call me after 10 p.m. As a noun. 6. I just got a call from my boss. 7. The call lasted 30 minutes. 8. There's a call waiting for you. 9. He made an important call this morning. 10. That was a close call.